Hi, this is Mrs. Thompson, and welcome to my virtual back to school night. So I'm just going to use this to go over a few basics about the course. A little bit about me. I attended Cornell University for my bachelor's degree and the University of Arizona for my master's of science degree. I've been teaching for 6 years. My degrees are in entomology, and tiger beetles are my favorite insect. So I went to school for the study of insects. I love investigating science in the natural world. And this is a picture of me at a large telescope that is in the Canary Islands in Spain. I wrote a Funds for Teachers travel grant to be able to go there and participate in an astronomy course. It was really fun and exciting and great to study with other teachers from around the world. Our course goals here are to be able to prepare students for higher levels of education and to promote critical thinking through using next generation science standards. We want to develop this to our students to develop understanding of how it functions and how humans are influencing it. We want to help students gain an appreciation for the process of scientific investigation and autonomy in pursuing investigations. I'd like them to be able to propose great research questions, think about what they'd be testing, how they'd design those investigations, and how they answer and analyze their data. Some of the topics that we're going to be covering while we are in freshman science are going to be atomic structure and matter, space systems or place in the universe and the origin of the universe, as well as processes that shape the Earth, internal and external processes, and then climate and sustainability. Our class expectations are that we are responsible, empathetic, we try to achieve our best, we collaborate, and that we are honest with each other and ourselves. Here's how the grading works for my course. It's 20% participation and assessments are 80%, or coursework is 80%. Coursework is including all of our class and home learning projects, lab investigations, reports, etc. Our late work policy is different than I typically have, and so all work from weeks 1 to 5 will be accepted for full credit until October 2nd. For week 6, work and on, late work will be accepted for up to 1 week after the due date. In addition, the maximum score on late work is 75%. Homework, there isn't any, but we do have lots of home learning. So I only see your child for 85 minutes each week, and therefore a lot of their learning is independent. We are working on setting up weekly schedules to show what do I do when I Zoom in, what are we doing when I attend in person, and what do I do independently on each of those days. As far as labs go, at-home labs will be done for at least the first semester. It may be the entire year, it may not be, but for this first semester I'm sticking with that strict goal. We will also increase our use of computer simulations to mitigate shared contact of items due to COVID. That's about all you need to know. If you need to get in touch with me, you may. So should you need to contact me, my email address is here, victoria.thompson@elpsk12.org. My phone number here at the school is 860-739-6946. My extension is 3103. Most grades, all grades, will be posted to Infinite Campus. This is for students and parents. Google Classroom is primarily for students, but you can have your child look at Google Classroom with you. You could also sign up to get weekly messages regarding which assignments your child may be missing. I think that's all for now. Take care.